Welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. Today I'm going to make a candle holder, or you can actually use it as a coaster. But anyway, I'm going to use some Dollar Tree items. This is a picture of the items we're going to use. What I like to start by doing is covering this plastic item up with some fluorescent type of duct tape that I found that I use a lot of times before I wrap my items in bling wrap. And what I want to do is just take my time and go over the entire piece. Sometimes I go ahead and pre-cut my pieces, but this time I didn't. And if you see any kind of gaps anywhere, just feel free to go ahead and cover it up. I didn't bother covering the bottom of it because nobody's going to see the bottom. It's going to be on the table, so I really didn't bother with that, but you can cover it if you like to. Okay, and as you can see, I took the little black pieces off the back of the piece of mirror that I'm using. And what I like to do is add some of the Dollar Tree glue. Doesn't smell the best, but it's really good and a great adhesive. Then I go in and use some of my hot glue gun for an immediate hold, because I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours and I'll come back and finish the project. And I also went around the corners with some of the hot glue to seal the edges, because it was a little bit of a gap in between using this and the piece. Okay, as you can see, I have fast forward a little bit. I placed some rows of bling wrap on the side. I think this one came like 4. And to cover up the sides of this, I'm going to go ahead and add the single rows. As you can see, I'm going around the side of the mirror, and I'm going to go around all 4 corners with my hot glue gun, of course. And I have one more step after this. I have another strip of bling wrap that I'm going to add to it to finish this look. I'm going to go around the perimeter of the part where you see the tape that's still exposed, and that's about it. I'm going to go around that side. Going to cut it to fit. Then I'm going to go around the other 4 sides, and that's the finished product, guys. I just clean a lot of the glue off, wipe it off really good, and it made a wonderful candle holder, and I'm really excited about how it came out. Thank you, guys. I'll see you next time. Check out my Pinterest page. I share a lot of my projects up there. YouTube, Facebook,